Every time you log into your system, you'll be greeted with a personalized reminder of why you're here and what you're working towards. Your vision board is an image you upload to keep yourself motivated. Your whys are your personal mission statements and actionable goals. To set up your vision board, go to your Profile tab and scroll all the way down until you see the Vision Board Upload section. Here you can upload a JPEG, a GIF, a PNG, or a PDF file. For proper fit, we recommend a PDF. You can't upload more than one image, but you can combine images outside of your system into a single image and upload that. There are many programs and apps that can create collages, and most of them can save as PDFs. To answer your whys, go to your Profile tab and scroll all the way down until you see the My Whys question section, or if you're already setting up your vision board, just scroll up a tiny bit. Here you can answer the message prompts in as much detail as you need to remain highly motivated. When you've completed your answers, be sure to click the Update Answers button. Remember that your whys content is emailed to your leader. This information is not shared with other people on your team, however, and you can change it as often as you'd like. In addition to the pop-up that occurs when you log in, you can access your vision board and whys as often as you like via the vision board icon in the top menu.